Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and this right here, don't worry about my cat over there, but this right here is the area rug that I had before. I had to move everything because this is the area rug that I have now. And I'm talking about this bad boy over here, this 9x12 area rug that this brand sent to me for the video. I have to move everything just to make room for this one because it's massive, it's giant. You don't believe me? Just take a look. So what do you think about this? I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I do want to talk about the quality. I do want to talk about the measurements. I do want to talk about the package, and of course, how it feels, because this one, it is really soft. It is super, super soft to the touch. My cats were trying it before, and they were so in love in this one because it's so, so soft. As you can see over here, she really likes it, but I think it's a good thing for pets, of course. And you can wash it and you can kind of like use the vacuum as well. But the best thing about this one is, one, it won't move because, let me show you. Besides, you can actually see the show right here that she's putting for you guys on the camera. She loves it. So let's talk about one thing for a second right here. Look at this. I'm actually pushing this. I'm pushing it and it's not moving because it comes with this super microfiber, this kind of like rubber pad right here, this micro rubber pad right here. It has had kind of like dots everywhere. So it kind of like gets in touch with the floor. If it is a wooden floor, it's going to be better. So it gets in touch with it and it won't move. I'm actually doing it right now again, and it's not moving at all. And of course, they have multiple designs and measurements. But this one, just take a look at this one. Take a look at the graphics. Take a look at the kind of like the pattern. And the outside has something. The inside has something. The middle part has something as well. So that's kind of like stylish, I have to say. And it has a really nice part over here. Let me show you. Kind of like this section over here. Take a look at the edge of that graphic over there. Take a look at the middle part. And take a look at how many things are happening at the same time. So that's actually kind of like the cutest part or the best part of the actual pattern. But when I say that this thing is huge, I'm not lying. It's 9x12, as you can see over here. I can walk the whole thing. And of course, they have multiple sizes, multiple measurements, and the best thing, have multiple patterns and multiple graphics, of course. But this one, it is super big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it at some point, like kind of like under my sofa, and create like a really nice space in my living room, kind of like a social space in my living room, or something for my cats as well. Why not? But talking about the packaging, it comes in kind of like a big plastic bag. It comes all folded. So what I recommend is to extend it as much as you can. You don't have to actually get it all flattened if you can, because this thing is so heavy that the weight itself is going to actually flatten it out. But if you can actually extend it at least in horizontal mode, in some kind of a cylindric way or cylindric form over here, that would be the best thing to do. Kind of like do it for 24 hours. I let it be for 24 hours, and you can see that this one is almost flattened out. So when we put some furniture in here, when we put some the sofa and the kind of like the coffee table or something like that, this thing will work by itself because of the weight, because this thing, it is really heavy. So one more time over here with the star of the show, you can see how nice this one is. You can see how big it is. You can see the whole pattern and the whole graphics over there. And of course, how heavy it is. And the best thing about the rubber pad at the bottom, that it won't allow it to move. So one more time, this thing is massive, this thing is heavy, 9x12, super soft, multiple designs, multiple measurements. This is the 9x12, and remember to let it kind of like breathe and be out of the package and be out of the plastic bag for about like 24 hours if you can. Otherwise, this is a great product. I like it, super nice. So it's time to actually get moving and get the furniture on top of it. Thanks for watching, recommended. See you soon.